plan of today's video is to get some footage into why I think people should get into dirt biking, or anyone who wants to get into dirt biking. This is a bit of an advice video from my own personal perspective. We're just going to go up this byway now. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video and let's get going. Riding a mountain bike, riding this bike. So light. Like ripping it through there. I'm lost. Someone's tagged all this out. This is a mountain bike. There's some epic mountain bikes. Oh, we're ending up somewhere. Where? I don't know. Where's it going now? Up here? White-ish. That's how not to do it. Love it. Two smoker style. I didn't even mean to come up this way. Oh well, at least I... So it hasn't been an overly extreme ride today. The idea of this video is to basically show you guys, you know, what sort of thing you can do on a dirt bike and why it's worth doing. Personally, I think, you know, it's a lot better than chatting crap in a bar and stuff like that. But yeah, it's just a massive stress relief for me. And you know, anyone can sort of get into it. You've got to be respectful, make sure you're riding in the right places and stuff like that. So I'm going to get some drone footage now, and then yeah, upload that as well. I hope you've enjoyed my footage. When I'm out with people, I'll sort of do more extreme stuff, because where I'm out alone, if I hurt myself, then there's no one there to call an ambulance or whatever. You know, it's sort of just taking it easy. But sometimes you haven't got to absolutely cane the bike to, you know, enjoy the ride. Sometimes it's just nice to come out in the nature and get out to these places that are hard to get to by foot, you know, and explore it all. But yeah, I won't stay talking for too long, and yeah, catch you in a bit. Enjoyed today's video. Like I say, it wasn't anything too extreme, it was just a chill out ride really. The point I'm making is, like I said, it's a good way to get out of the house, clear the mind. It's good way to rip as well. So yeah, I do enjoy this sort of thing. Yeah, a nice little ride, nice afternoon out. I'm probably going to go out for another ride tomorrow, so I'll be uploading that video as well, trying to grow my little YouTube channel. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it.